What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. If you're a first-time viewer, I am the GM man. Today's video is going to be a little different since we don't have Loud and Proud's truck here anymore. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll leave a link down in the description for the last video on my channel and then also for his channel. He is doing a giveaway of two 12-valve Cummins. He's got just a single rear wheel automatic, and then the dually that I painted, and it's a 5-speed. Every $20 you spend gives you an entry, so go spend some money and get an entry to win a free truck. So I mean, you can't beat that. You only have 1 week left to enter, so be sure and go and do that. Right now my dad is up on the trailer. He is currently mocking up a platform for our winch we're going to be sticking on the gooseneck. You guys will see, hopefully we'll get all that done here in the next 30 minutes, and then you'll see what it's for. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the 79 loaded. Winch worked great. Got it all hooked up there. It took a little bit longer than we were expecting, but it's all up there. I'm gonna try and wiggle the 98 over there and back the trailer up through here, so then we can say goodbye to it. So stay tuned, guys. Should be a fun little trip over to where we're going. Well guys, here's a better view of the truck fully loaded. Like I said, it was kind of a hassle to get it up there, but we did it. So we're gonna be taking it somewhere and dropping it off. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, sorry I didn't get any footage taking the truck over there. I just wanted to get it over there, get it unloaded, and it got dark, so I couldn't film anything. But I will be going back over there to help him drop the new motor in, tranny, transfer case, all that fun stuff. So I'll have plenty of video footage of the 79 being built. He's one of my friends. He owns a wheel and tire suspension type company that he basically does all that stuff. You'll see when I go over there, it's got a nice shop. Got a few projects going on, but as you can tell, I'm in my shop. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up tomorrow. And yeah, so just a little update on the 79. If you're a first-time viewer, I'm gonna do a sunburnt orange gunmetal gray paint collar on it, and then I'm gonna basically where the chrome goes, I'm gonna have black pinstripe. I don't know if I want to do a new school tire like a Moto Metal or a Vision Prowler or something like that on like a 18 by 12 or 18 by 14 or something like that, or if I want to go old school and do a 16 by 14 with like a, not really a super swamper, but something along those lines. Me personally, I kind of want to do the new school, old school with the truck on it. I don't know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments. But we're going to do an either, I believe we're going to run a 4 or 6 inch lift. I want to do a 6 inch, but I'm just going to get prices of both. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Probably have a video of the 98 coming real soon, of the build plans for it. Probably going to go into a little bit more deeper content on the 79 build for you first-time viewers and some of you guys that want to just see more and hear more on it. So that being said, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys soon, and stay classy. Peace.